Hey, myself Jomon. I'm the part of Valorem Assemble project, and we have a project in Valorem Assemble that is CanBuddy. It's purely IoT based application, and it's some automatic kind of things we are implemented in this project. So yeah, we are a 5-member team, and I'm from the IT department. I'm heading the hardware section that is implemented in this project. We have other members: Vishnu, Riya, Rizwan, and Amal.
In this COVID-19 situation, going forward with a new lifestyle, we need an effective temperature scanning system in our offices, restaurants, malls, etc. to ensure our workplace is safe and monitored regularly. So, currently, this temperature scanning is done manually. That is, one person will be scanning the individual using a thermal scanner, and then we need to enter the details in a book. So making this process very difficult, and also there's a possibility of not tracking correct data, and also this process is time consuming.
So what is the solution of this problem statement? We think together and we research a lot of stuffs in hardware and both software also. So we think about create a system with low cost. So how we can implement a system, an automated system with low cost. So we take a decision that we can choose the employee RFID tag. It's already issued by Valorem. So we can choose the same card for authenticating the user to our application. Yeah, let me explain the flow of our project. So our plan was we can purchase one IR temperature sensor, and it will automatically capture the temperature of an employee, and that is directly input our project, our application. And after that, if the user temperature is less than the preset value, then the door will be automatically open for the next 3 or 4 seconds, then the employee can enter. This is the high level plan. Yeah, unfortunately, our budget is not allows us to buy the thermal scanner. It's an IR sensor, so it's little bit high in cost. So we just avoid that part, and when an employee come to the reception, the security staff just scanning his temperature by using the handheld scanner, and he is directly insert that temperature value into the application. After that, if the temperature is less than the desired temperature that we already set into our application, according to that result, the door will be open next 3 or 4 seconds, and the employee can easily enter to the office. After this time period, the door will automatically close. Yeah. At the same time, the admin can enter into the application, and they can view the complete report of the employee. And if they want to download, they can download the report as they visit.
To build the CanBuddy software, we have used Angular for the front end, ASP.NET Core for the web API, and SQL Server for the database.
In our application, we use a lot of IoT related devices. So we researched a lot of IoT devices like NodeMCU, ESP8266 like boards, and finally we decided Arduino Uno, that is the suitable device for our application. This is the Arduino Uno board, and with that we fixed one more board, that is Arduino Ethernet Shield, that will use it to communicate some values or some values from the database to our application. So this is the LAN port that is directly connected to our system, and through this port our application and this device is communicated. So we learned a lot of things in IoT. So we learned how to program an IoT device and how to integrate these devices into our software application. So this is the great learning, and we learned a lot about IoT devices and the configuration side and the Arduino board coding side. These are the learning. These are the main learnings from our application point of view.
I have set up the architecture of this project. The architectural diagram includes an Azure SQL DB, Azure App Services. Azure SQL DB collects the data from the employee, and the report is made to higher official.
Welcome to CanBuddy demo session. So this is our application. As discussed, our application has 2 parts. one part is software part and other part is hardware. So we are including some IoT kind of things in our application. I will explain our application. So firstly, this is our software part and this is our front end of our application, and other is some hardware parts we used. First one is RFID receiver. This is the device that helps the value that from the employee. Every employee has an RFID tag, so the device helps to receive the ID, the unique ID from the employee, RFID tag from employee to our application. And this is the IoT part. So we are using Arduino Uno board for this application, and this is the device that is drive the hardware part of our application. So last, this is the device that is used to switch the door when the entered temperature is less than the desired temperature or set temperature. The door will be opened by using this device. And if the entered temperature is higher than the desired value, then this buzzer is blow and the security staff know the user is entered a value that is greater than the set value. I will explain our application. Let's go. So this is the front end portal. This is reading page, and here we can see there are three fields is available. One is employee ID and other is employee name and temperature. Once the employees come to the reception, and every employee has an RFID tag with his employee details. So once the employees swipe the RFID tag on this receiver, then the ID is automatically detected from the device and the details is picked from the database. And here I am Jomon and my details is captured here. And the receptionist or the operator scans the employee temperature by using handheld scanner and directly entered to this field. So the cutoff temperature we are set here is 37. So if the temperature is less than 37, then the door will be open automatically for 3 seconds and the employee can enter into the office. If the temperature is entered greater than the 37, then the device blows an horn and the receptionist and the operator can know this is the employee with a higher temperature. So here I am typing a temperature less than 37 and I am clicking submit. When I click OK button, the relay will be energized here and it will automatically off after 3 seconds. That means this relay is directly connected to the magnetic switch that is fixed in our door. So when the relay is open, the door will be open and the employee can enter into the office. After 3 seconds, the door will be closed automatically. I will explain next scenario. When the employee and his reading is greater than 37. For example, I will type here 38 and I will click on submit. If I click OK, the buzzer will be blow here. That means the temperature is higher than the entered temperature, set temperature. So the system is not allowing the user to enter into the office premise. That means the buzzer is blown. This is our current system. So in our previous plan, we have an idea for creating entire automated system for this application. So there is no manual intervention we needed for entering application. Previously we have planned for purchase one IR temperature scanner. It's a single module, but our budget is not allows us to buy that particular product. So that is the reason why we are using an handheld scanner and we are using an operator or receptionist for entering a particular value to our application. So in our next phase, definitely we are purchase a IR sensor and we will make this device as completely automated. That means if an employee comes to the reception and the sensor is automatically read his temperature and automatically entered our application, and based on that result the door will be opened, or if the temperature is higher than the entered higher than the set value, then the alarm will be blown.
In this portal, we have an admin login. So by giving the admin details, we can log into this portal. So this will take to an admin dashboard. Here we can view employee details with the employee's temperature values, and we have provided two charts. This chart will show overall employee count with normal temperature and higher temperature. This bar chart shows the employees with higher temperature and employees with normal temperature for this week, for this current week. And also in this page, we can download this table details. By clicking here, we will get an Excel sheet. So here we can see the employee details. So this is the admin page. In this solution, we have an API project and a web project, and our web part is in Angular 10, and we have used components. We have three components: admin, login, operator. Login component, it does all the authentication part. Operator component does the operator to enter the values, temperature values into our DB. And admin part, it shows the admin dashboard. And we have used SQL Server, and it's in Azure.
This is the existing system we use in our office. So this is the biometric system. So we can integrate our system with this device, and this device is directly connected to our door lock. So we can integrate our system with this device, and our relay will drive the door lock open when the temperature is less than the set value. Then the door will be open, and after 3 or 4 seconds, the door will be closed. When the temperature is greater than the set value, then the devices blow an alarm.
I wanted to take this opportunity to thank the entire ScanBuddy team. There is a lot of hard work involved in this for the successful completion of this project. And our aim was to reduce the human effort by automating regarding this COVID restrictions, at least in our offices. And once again, I am thanking the entire team for their effort and hard work. Thank you.